Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, modem module, and top cover. Removal: disconnect the RTC battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, gently pry the RTC battery off of the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the RTC battery into position on the top cover and press down to adhere it into place. Connect the RTC battery cable into its connector on the system board.